In galleries worldwide, African artists were redefining what art could be. But this breakthrough came with an unexpected challenge.
Western scholars struggled to categorize African art, creating divisions that failed to capture its true complexity and innovation.
Marshall Mount proposed 4 categories, from traditional bronze casting to emerging modern techniques. Yet these frameworks still viewed African art through external lenses.
Traditional bronze casting continued unbroken from ancient times, proving African art's enduring technical mastery and cultural continuity.
Scholars like Valentin Mudimbi proposed new frameworks, thinking in terms of flowing currents rather than rigid categories.
The 1991 Africa Explores exhibition attempted new categories but still reflected external curatorial perspectives rather than African voices.
Critics like Deli Jigi challenged the absurdity of treating an entire continent's art as a single entity.
African scholars like Olu Ogweb and Okwi Enwiza developed new frameworks that recognized African artists as innovators, not imitators.
The 1995 Seven Stories exhibition marked a turning point, inviting African curators to tell their own stories about modern art.
Each region developed distinct artistic narratives, acknowledging Africa's incredible diversity and cultural complexity.
African artists gained serious recognition in global markets while maintaining their cultural authenticity and artistic vision.
Today's African artists seamlessly blend traditional symbols with contemporary techniques, creating entirely new forms of cultural expression.
African artists continue revolutionizing global art, proving that cultural identity and innovation can strengthen rather than oppose each other.
This lesson is part of the UNESCO General History of Africa Curriculum Library at Ashaware.com, where Africa's story is told by Africa.